In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find new 100x tokens on HyperEVM. This is Hyperliquid's new layer 1 exchange that is gaining a lot of traction recently, and they are going to have an upcoming airdrop, so we want to be making the most of that and trading on HyperEVM. I have a full airdrop guide which I will link in this video as well if you want to follow that and potentially receive a 6-figure airdrop. So how do we find tokens like this one down here in order to sell them up here? Well, a lot of people, when they're trading, they look at Dex Screener. And whilst Dex Screener is good and it is useful, it's not the most optimal way to find coins right when they launch. So you can see here on Dex Screener / HyperEVM, these are all the different coins on the HyperEVM chain. You can see their market cap along the right here and how much volume they've done and the current percentages and everything. But how do we find coins as soon as they launch, just like on Pump Fund on Solana? So we want to be using Liquid Launch. Liquid Launch is Hyperliquid's answer to Pump Fund, and it's very, very good. It works just in the same way, more or less. And by heading over to Liquid Launch, you will see all of the new tokens that are launching, that are currently undergoing their bonding curve. So these are yet to reach Dex Screener because they have not yet listed. So this is the earliest way that you are going to find new coins on HyperEVM. So once you're on Liquid Launch, what you can do is you can set it by in progress, and that will show you coins that have literally just launched that are going through their bonding curve. You can see how far through the bonding curve they are here and their current market caps, volume and percentage change or increase. And you can see how long ago they were made and how many people, how many holders are already in the token. So we can also set it by bonded, and this will show us a list of all the tokens that have already bonded. They've already reached the market cap threshold, and you can see all of those there. But what I like to do to find new early coins that could potentially 100x is to set it to in progress. Now, once we found one that we like, I'm currently looking at this one, Hyper token. We can click on it and we can get some more information. So once we've clicked on the token, we can copy the contract address up here. And I'm currently trading on a sniper bot. So you can just paste the address into the sniper bot, and then that will give you the option to instantly snipe the token. I will leave a link to the sniper bot that I'm using in the description or the pinned comment of this video. You can also trade directly in Liquid Launch. I just prefer using a sniper bot for faster execution. But you can see on Liquid Launch, it is a very clean layout, very easy to see everything. You have the market cap at the top, liquidity, the volume, and the progress through the bonding curve. And the bond market cap on here will be once the token reaches 115k market cap. You can see your current P&L on the trade, but you can see at the bottom the activity. So you can see this one's getting a lot of buys at the moment. You can see the amount people are purchasing, the price that they purchased at, and the different wallet addresses, which you can also click on. And that will show you a profile of the trader where you can get a lot of information actually. You can see their different badges that they've earned. You can see their referral code. You can see their current realized P&L, the amount of winning and losing trades they have, total equity that they've got, and the total volume that they've traded. You can see also their total number of trades, and you can see their account value and P&L. You can also see their positions that they've realized. So this guy has already traded these 2 tokens, and you can see their active positions, what they are currently holding. So very nice. You get to see quite a lot of information about all of the traders. What's also cool about Liquid Launch is you get this chat box. So for every single token, they have their own chat box, their little chat room where you can interact with the different people inside the token. So if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply come on over here, you'd type in the amount that you'd like to buy and simply click buy. It's that easy. You can see the fees down here, and you can see more stats about the percentage increase, the amount of buyers and sells, buy and sell volume, and the amount of buyers and sellers. Also the amount of makers and the volume, as well as transactions. You can also click on holders and get this token distribution. So you can see that the top 11 to 25 hold 28%, the top 6 to 10 hold 15%, the top 1 to 5 hold 30%, and the remaining. So you get a nice little pie chart there, and you can see the distribution of the holders. You can also click on top traders, and you can see the amount that people have bought and how much they have sold, what their P&L was on that trade, and if they have any remaining tokens. So this is very useful. And again, you can click on these wallets and inspect them further. What's also cool about Liquid Launch is they have this leaderboard. So you can see the total users, the total amount of trades, and the total volume on Liquid Launch. And you can just see all of the top traders. So this makes me think, is there going to be a potential airdrop for Liquid Launch? They already have their own token. So could something be coming for Liquid Launch? They also have their own built-in DEX aggregator, which I've also made a video on. So this is an easy way that you can swap tokens for the best prices. 99.9% of tokens will be worthless, but this is how you're going to find them early. So I hope you found this tutorial interesting. As always, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always do your own research and stay safe in these trenches.